Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla. I am the software engineer from past 2 decades. So here I am putting all the expertise what we have worked in the real-time industry requirements to start learning Java fundamentals strongly to write and start writing coding. Every step-by-step process is added for this course. Yes, let's begin to initiate getting started. Introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to practical all the exercises what you have learned a lecture section by section and the concentrating by adding your own expertise. How to get help from us. Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques you need to practice to get a solution quickly. Submit your questions on Asking QA forum for detail what you have tried with errors you have faced, the screenshot you have to collect and send what the code you have participated while learning and practice. How to approach the course to get a better experience. The best way to approach the course is review videos what you have a practical hands-on sessions. The sessions which we have explained very detailed step by step quickly. These you have to practice by adding your own examples. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information you have to practice. Review certain information by reading examples. Parts of video session, pause and play it and practice whenever your possibility choices and options are there to practice your local development environment. Java coding and practical exercises and practical sessions and courses, you have to write real-time code by yourself and practice. Then only it will give you more knowledge. Exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple Java exercises to how you are learning in this course training, which will be test your skills level based on what you have learned from our previous lectures. Anyhow, you will be given the solution to the particular exercises what you have learned and written. Thanking you.